Hello and welcome to my channel Zenith Institute where learning matters. In this video I am going to give you a book review for Delph B de 200 activité. Before that I reviewed the Réussir book. You can get the link in the description. In this video I will review this book. So let's start. So these are the chapters in this book, and with this book you will get a CD also for listening exercise. So this is Compréhension d'oral chapter 1. There are 4 chapters: compréhension orale, compréhension écrite, production écrite and production orale. These are 4 chapters, and every chapter what is there in the book they give you. So here is your compréhension orale. Compréhension orale means listening. So they explained you what is there in the listening, what kind of exercises are there, and after that they have lots of exercises to practice. See, when I was appearing for exam, I practiced this book with the help of CD. I told you, as I told you, you will get the CD with this book. So there are plenty of exercises, as you can see. See, there are lots of exercises. When I used to do it, I used to note down the words. See, so many exercises are there. Here the table is there. They have exam oriented exercises. So these are exercises are really helpful for you. I strongly recommend this book if you are appearing for Delph B2, because I cleared my Delph B2 with the help of this book. See, when I play CD, I used to write all these words. Whatever words I hear, I used to note it down, and this is how we practice listening exercises. See, they have lots of exercises, you can see. So this book is an actually good investment. Now here you can see épreuve type. They wrote épreuve type. So this is like exam pattern questions. Here see, épreuve type, document sonore numéro 1. So there are some exercises, then here some exercises, then the second document is having one exercise. See, these are all exam oriented questions. After that they are telling you auto evaluation, like your auto evaluation. So this is the end of your listening exercises. Now compréhension écrite, that is your reading part. So you can get all, they explained you here what is there in the reading exercises. After that you have, see, exercise, they have articles to read. When I was reading, I used to underline the words I don't know the meaning, and then I used to write the answers as per my understanding. See, there are titles there. So if you read these articles also, now these are actually helpful for you, because this will help you to enhance your vocabulary. You can read them out and you can underline the words you don't know. You can understand the sentence formation, their grammatical formation. See, this is how I used to write answer, and after that I used to check with the solution paper what kind of answer, what is the answer. See, these are the titles, then answers are there, then questions are there. See, so many exercises, so many articles are there. See, La Famille. Talking about the production écrite part, production écrite means your writing exercise, writing section. In that you are going to get a letter, and with that, and your word limit is 250 words. So they gave you so many exercises to do here, you can see, and sample letter writings, and they gave you sentences to form. They gave you some small exercises also, so that you can improve your writing skill. And there are sample exercises. They gave you a situation, and they are giving you a small exercises what you can think about that situation. So many practice material is there in the book. Now here you can see, this is épreuve type, means your exam type. So in exam, these are the situation you can get. You can read this instruction. In that they gave you written instruction, and then they gave you 3 situations to write your writing skill, to develop your writing skill. I would suggest you just set a timer and try to write this letter or whatever exercises are there. Write it within the time period and with the 250 words limit. if you can do it, then you can of course enroll for the exam. Now talking about the production oral, that is your speaking test. In a speaking test you are going to get one topic only to talk about, and in that you are going to get a monologue. It can be a monologue, it can be a expose. So for that you need to practice a lot. You have to be very confident while speaking French. So for that they gave you lots of exercises and lots of topics, lots of small articles are there, so that you can develop your thought process. So whenever you get a topic, you have to think about that topic, like what are the pros, what are the cons, what can be solution, what conclusion you can give. So many things you have to think when you are talking about, when you are going for your speaking exam. So they gave you some articles, good articles, real life current affair articles, so that you can think of that, and then you can prepare yourself accordingly. So articles are there to read. You can develop, you can enhance your vocabulary by reading them also. And then here in this part they gave you sentences. There are formed sentences, you can use them in your speaking test. They gave you plenty of sentences already, pre-prepared sentences are there, which you can actually use while you're speaking examination. So this is the kind of end of the book, and here you can get a test paper. So this is the test paper, you can see. Now here you can see épreuve type. Épreuve type means test paper, test what kind of exercises are going to do. Voix qui lise et vocalise, this is what it is written here. So exercise, this is almost the end of the book. This is the end of the book. Yeah, with this book you are going to get this booklet. This is the answer sheet of this book. So you will get the transcriptions as well as the answers for your writing comprehensive writing exercises. Answers are there, and then you have some written exercises answers. So what I used to do, I used to mark them. If you see, I use the highlighter to highlight the sentences which I like to use afterwards in my test. So this is how you can use this booklet. So this book was really helpful for me to pass my DELF B2 examination.